Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to make a short video and talk about the T-streak and how it's related to the Feng Shui and impact our health, relationship, and a money issue, so which is quite interesting. And at the end, I will also provide some solution how we can fix that issue. Okay, let's jump to the computer and for more detail. Thank you. Okay, allow me to explain more detail what's the T-streak and then why we concern a lot for the T-streak. Maybe some of you are new to the Feng Shui, but T-streak is really, we need to pay attention to it. Okay, let's say if we are living in the houses here, so which is at the end of the row, so we call T-streak, or some people will call it like a row punching, and there's other terminology, but it's talking about the same concept, which is your houses is at the end of the road or at the end of the street, and you will have some like some dangerous situation. It might be okay. You can imagine in that way. If let's say this is because it's at the end of the road, and then a drunk driver, he's drinking too much, and it's 3 a.m. in the morning. It's in the Christmas Eve, and then the driver just drink too much, and then he thought the road is keep going, or he thought it's a freeway. He hit the gas, he accelerate, and then suddenly he hit your house. So that will cause an unnecessary accident, which is not really good for you, and it's not really good for your family. So it's not really safe. So this is the dangerous situation for the T-streak. But for Feng Shui point of view, there's actually more than that. It's more than the dangerous here. Okay, this is a really normal situation, and we also have that kind of situation if you live in the city. This is a picture I took in Hong Kong. You can see that for here, this is a T-streak, because this is it's not a really busy road, but it's like a small street. It's hitting your house. So this is one of the T-streak. And here is also the same. For this building, this is a T-streak that will also cause unnecessary like a Feng Shui impact to it. For the lower floor, there may have some like accident issue, but for upper floor, there may have other Feng Shui issue. Okay, let me explain to you what's going on. Okay, this is a really important Feng Shui, like a traditional book talk about, hey, lots of Feng Shui stuff is in Chinese version, but I will explain it to you in English. Okay, it said that 衝橋衝路莫輕啫. It said that there's like a road punching, or like some road is hitting you, or the bridge is hitting you. Do not calculate really. We need to calculate seriously, and 需要圓弄一禮拜. We need to calculate with the current Feng Shui style. 衝起落攻無價寶. There is a really like a small chances that with this roll punching or T-streak, the house will be really good, but it's really small portion. And 衝起仇攻化為灰, but most of them will have a really bad luck situation. Okay, only a small portion that will be good, but maybe you need to sacrifice for the health issue, relationship issue, so it's not really good for residential. But for commercial, some people will do it after they have a serious calculation. But I suggest you think of it before you buy or rent that kind of property, because that there will be a lots of issue. And for what happened, we can use this, we call the later haven backward to talk about. Okay, for this later haven backward, the north is at the bottom, the south is on top, with the east as a red dragon, west as like a white tiger. So in these two locations, there's two areas we need to pay extra attention. One is the northwest location, which belong to the daddy, belong to the senior guy in the house. So make sure that the roll punching or the T-streak is not in your northwest situation, northwest direction. Otherwise, will be not really good for the daddy. And also make sure that it's not in the southwest location, because southwest location is belong to the mom, is belong to the senior lady. So these two areas is the most important. And other area, let's say the T-streak is on the east, so you affect the son or the senior son first. If the T-streak is on the south, it will affect the daughter. Most likely the second daughter will have the effect by this T-streak. Or we can use this a more precise chart to talk about. Let's say this T-streak is in the north, it's not really good for the brother. Or if let's say the T-streak is on the south, it's not really good for the eye. Or the T-streak is on the east side, it's not really good for the finger. Or the west side is not really good for blood circulation issue. So each small portion you can have some indication or some guess, hey, which part of the body will have an impact first. And the previous one, later haven background, will show that, hey, if let's say if the T-streak is on the north, will most likely affect the sun first and will affect it in this bladder or the urinary system or reproduction system, will affect in that way. So there's some calculation. Okay, here is some solution. This is really good. If let's say if you have a T-streak or there's some like a roll punching situation, you need to build something to block it, to make sure that you are protected, to help you. So you can build something like something with green, with living energy, that will be good. So we can build 3 layers, 1, 2, 3. The second layer, actually this picture is not really perfect because we need to have at least 3 feet for the second layer to have a protection. Okay, the first one is the grass. It's like a really make it green, and then looks really good. And then the second layer is important. The second layer you can build a winter green boxwood, which is a layer of protection. And you can also build the last layer, which is the privacy hedge, is a 6 feet. So 3 layer you can have a pretty good protection to you. It will help to minimize the impact for this T-streak. Or if let's say if you don't have enough time, you want to do something, you can put some like a plants here to block it. It will help a little bit. Or inside your house, you can use some curtain, something to block it. It will help a little bit. Or you can park a car outside. If you have a van, that will be good. So you can imagine park a van outside the T-streak. It will help because at least they will have a protection. Because when someone want to hit your car, hit your house, you hit the car first, then it will protect you and protect your family. Or you can park truck or park an RV outside. That is really, really good. At least it can give you really immediately protection to your house. So this is a short video, and thanks for watching. I hope you good luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching.